Shubman.
Hello.
Your first question for the day. In contrast to the previous game, wickets fell in the middle overs. What went wrong in that phase for the team?
Uh, I think it wasn't just our day for the batsmen. They came in early, they got it early, some good balls. But I think in the middle overs we were still going well. In 9 overs we were around 90 for 3. And after the Morgan's wicket we just lost momentum.
Despite three early wickets, KKR continued to go hard at the bowling. Did it last match too? Planned strategy for this?
Not really strategy, but the plan was to show some good intent, and if we get the balls in areas, we are going to hit it. That was the strategy.
You seem to take your time and others seem to bat around you. Is that your role in the side to bat right through?
Yeah, I mean, if there are no wickets in the other end falling, then it's my role to anchor the innings and try to play 15-20 overs, and then the I'm trying to uh, make the whole game shift around myself.
At the halfway stage, what did you make of the score? Were you a few runs short?
Yeah, I think we were 15 to 20 runs short. Uh, if in the middle overs we were not able to rotate the strike, if we would have been able to do that, we would have gotten 25 runs more than this.
And the last question for the day. KKR have dropped out of the top four. Kings 11 going in due to the net run rate. What do you make of the race to the top now?
I think we still have 2 more matches to go, and we are pretty confident that we will be able to qualify for the playoffs.
Thank you so much, Iman.
Thank you.
Congratulations on great win for the team and also for your wonderful innings today.
Thank you so much.
Your first question for the day. You had quite a good knock today. What was your approach as you were taking your time in the middle overs?
Um, Actually, I had a word with Rahul before the game. I opened in the last game as well, and they wanted me to, have a go in the first 6 overs. And I told Rahul today that let me play my game, even if I take few balls. I know I have the belief that I can win games for the team, and that's what I did. Even I took some balls initially, but even in the middle. Overs, I was thinking that if I bat till the end, I will win this game for the team. And also, Chris makes the game so easy. And yes, I told him that you should never retire.
Chris Gayle has been in great form and smashed it as he came in.
Yeah.
What is it like batting with him?
I've been lucky, that I have played with the likes of Chris Gayle, AB, Gilchrist, Virat Kohli, and actually I started with Chris Gayle as well in 2010 with KKR only, and very fortunate to know him as a friend. And he's so humble, he's so down to earth, and like I said, he should never retire. He's always in great touch. I've never seen him struggle, and he's probably the greatest T20 player ever.
Kings 11 Punjab have now moved into the top four. What do you make of this turnaround?
I think it's just the self-belief that we showed in the last few games that no matter what, we have to keep the Punjabi fight in every game, and that's it. I think that's about it. We had a chat, and that we are one of the best groups in the IPL, and we should back each other and play our game with freedom. And eventually, the games are going in our way, and very happy with it.
How difficult has his journey been, making a tough start in the IPL in the beginning and now a fabulous comeback for the team now?
I think we were a bit unlucky as well initially, but we were playing some good cricket from the start. So that was the belief in the team that we are playing some good cricket, but we need to finish games whether in batting or bowling. And we kept it simple and had the belief in the team and in each other, and focus on the process. And now it's the bit of luck is also favoring us, and we are really happy.
What was the strategy behind you opening and Gayle coming in at number 3 today?
Uh, Honestly, coaching staff can tell you better. But last game, they told me that you take the game from the start, take the charge from the start. And like I said, that today I told Rahul that let me play my game, even if I take few balls initially. I know that I can win games for the team, and very happy with the result in the end.
The last question for the day. Ravi Bishnoi has been consistent performer for the team. Your take on him and what's behind this young boy giving such a consistent performance?
I think that his heart is, he has a big heart, and I remember when I came in IPL first time in 2010, I was very nervous and couldn't even talk to senior players, and he's just playing as if, and also while we are out in the while we are in the hotel, he's just chilling with everyone, every senior, like he's playing his fifth IPL. So I think that's his I think that's his best quality. You can say he has a big heart. I just love him to bits.
Thank you so much, Mandeep.
Thank you so much. Thank you. थोड़ा लंबा तो नहीं होगा?